Now,
I'd like to mention item number 33, Your Lordship. With the consent from the other side, they have not filed the affidavit in last occasion they were supposed to file, Your Lordship. So we are begging for the date for next. If we,
you are for the petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So you want time.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Your name.
Elmar, Your Lordship.
As prayed for by so and so, relist on such and such date. Land customer petitioner. Yes, next.
The listing of two writ petitions, Lordship, in the admission column tomorrow, Your Lordship.
Not tomorrow.
Monday, Lordship, because these are old matters,
These are old matters.
Lordship, and the cause of
Anyway,
action.
you put it before the registry, they will list it. Yes. Next.
Lordship, with the concept, all the parties, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 30, Lordship. We have all, item number 30. I'm seeking for an adjournment, Lordship.
Item number?
30.
13. 30. What do you want in 30?
I'm seeking for an adjournment, Lordship, due to personal difficulty of
Your name?
Lordship M. Das.
You are there, Mr. Kashyap? As prayed for by MS M. Das, Learned Counsel appearing for respondent numbers
4.
4, which is not opposed by Mr. Mr. T. Kashyap, right? T. Kashyap, list on such and such date.
Lordship, the matter may be taken up in the first week of March,
I've
Lordship.
given a date. Yes, next.
Much only.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Lordship, there is some urgency, Lordship.
I've given a date. Next.
May I please, Your Lordship? With the consent of other side, my lord, I beg to mention item number 20, my lord. In this item, I am appearing for the petitioner's side, my lord. The petitioner has been admitted in hospital, my lord.
Okay. When do you want it?
After 4 weeks, my lord.
As prayed for by Mr.
S.A.B. Khabir, my lord.
Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner on the ground that the petitioner has been hospitalized. Relist on such and such date.
27th of March.
Hospitalized to overall relist was the
21.
21. What do you want, ma'am?
Lordship, we will be filing our affidavit today.
You are for?
Respondent number 6.
Have you taken consent from the
Yes,
other side?
Lordship.
I'm for petitioner.
You are for the petitioner. As prayed for by MS
S. Sharma.
S. Sharma, Learned Counsel appearing for respondent number
6.
6. Relist on such and such date to enable the respondent file the affidavit in opposition. You're filing it today, you said, which is stated to be going to be filed within the course of the day. Next.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 28. Respondents, I have informed them. So my senior have some difficulties today, so matter may be taken up after 3
You are
days.
for the petitioner.
Yes, Lordship.
As prayed for by MS
Somila.
Somila, relist on such and such date.
After 9 months, since May 26,
So we are giving a fixed date.
Lordship, there is an interim message.
Interim, if any, shall continue till the next date of listing. Next.
May I please, Lordship?
Obliged.
Lordship, I am praying for listing of 3 writ petition in admission column, my lord.
Admission column, you please mention it to the registry, they will do it. Yes, next.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I pray for listing of an interlocutory application, Lordship, on Monday, Lordship. IA, Lordship.
IA should automatically be listed. There must be some defect. You give it if it is everything is cleared on Wednesday. Yes, next.
Much obliged, Lord.
Also, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 22.
Wednesday bondo ase sir. Wednesday is holiday? No. Next Wednesday is a holiday. Yes.
Item number 22, Lordship.
Yes.
Matter may be fixed after 4 weeks, Lordship. We are newly entered in the case.
Already. You have been newly engaged for whom? You have been newly engaged
For number 9.
for R9. Mr. Das, any objection?
Lordship, can it be after 2 weeks?
As prayed for by Mr.
I.K. Burago.
I.K. Buragohai, Learned Counsel appearing for respondent number 9, which is not opposed by Mr. M. Das, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, relist on such and such date.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention item number 49 for the petition, my lord. I have taken
Item number
14. 14.
14.
Lordship.
What do you want in 14?
I for password for a day, Lordship. That's something.
You are for?
Petitioner.
As prayed for by Mr.
D. Gogoi.
D. Gogoi, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner, relist on such and such date. Next.
May I please? I beg to mention item number 16, Lordship.
Yes.
Government file an affidavit, Lordship. I have to go through it, Lordship. If required. I
Item
file a-
16, Mr. Bhuya, 16. You want to file a rejoinder.
Lordship, if required, Lordship. I have. to
All
go
right, your name.
through AU Ahmed.
Mr. A.U. Ahmed, Learned Counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation in the matter on the ground that that an affidavit in opposition has been filed by the respondent state, and if so advised, he shall file an affidavit in the matter, a reply in the matter.
2 weeks, Lordship. 21.
Released on such and such date. Yes.
A matter pertaining to pensionary welfare lordship and listed in the hearing list lordship, part 2 hearing list, item 141 and 142. So lordship.
Hearing list?
Part 2 hearing list lordship may come up in the daily list lordship.
No, there is no part 2 list here. Yes, next.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention a writ petition for listing, Lordship, for orders. Lordship, it was last posted on 10/11/25.
You take it up with the registry. If they don't list it, then come up with a letter. This court will accommodate you. Yes, next.
Admission matter, Lordship.
Admission matters, please take it to with the registry. They will get it listed. We are informed that they are doing it promptly. If there is any difficulty, please let my court master know. Yes,
Okay.
next.
With this Lordship, I'd like to mention sub-release item number 50. 50.
Yes, what do you want?
Your Lordship, I'm seeking for adjournment for the day.
In item 50, you are for
Petitioner
your name
H. Pame.
as prayed for by Mr. H. So and so, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, relist on such and such date.
For motion item number 1.
Mr. Das Gupta?
In this case, I have to file an additional affidavit.
You want some more time?
Sometime.
As prayed for by Mr. A. Das Gupta, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. So and so, relist on such and such date to enable the petitioner file the additional affidavit as prayed earlier.
For the state now.
Next.
Item 2.
Who is not allowing it to be appointed? Yes, Mr. Roy. The notice is not issued till now.
They have filed
I have filed here.
ITBP as the party respondent because.
There's an IA. Where is the IA? So impleading should be allowed.
Otherwise, I can take the instruction ITBP.
IA 453. Heard Mr. A.M. Khan, Learned Counsel, appearing for the applicant. Also for heard Mr. S.C. Roy, na?
SS Roy.
S.S. Roy, Learned Training Council, CGC.
Lordship.
Learned CGC will equal, huh? By way of this application, the applicant is seeking impleading of whom?
6, 7, 8.
The Director General ITB.
ITBP.
Impleading of the Director General ITB Delhi Headquarters so and so to Sailova, comma, Inspector General Northeast Frontier Headquarters ITBP Itanagar, Sailova, huh? And the Inspector General of Command Office ITBP Eastern Command so and so as respondent number 6, 7, and 8 in WPC 7425 of 2025. Inadvertently, the proposed respondents were not impleaded while filing the instant writ petition. However, their presence is necessary and essential for effective adjudication of the writ petition. Having heard the learned counsels for the parties and having perused the averments made in the interlocutory application, so and so are impleaded as party respondent number 6, 7, and 8 respectively in WPC 7425 of 2025. I stands allowed, let an amended cost title be submitted before the registry for doing the needful. I think you file it and then
Issue notice.
And in the WPC, you say, you file this within the course of the day. The amended cost title, how much time?
2 days, your lordship.
2 days, huh? And let them file it. In the writ petition, let the same be listed before the court after the amended cost title is
Date.
submitted by the SOEs. Yes, next.
Okay.
Contempt
Yes,
case.
my lord, contempt, my lord, during against the interim order, my lord, there is interim order passed by this honorable court.
What happened to notice is not issued?
So notice has not been issued.
So issue notice.
During pending, therefore the.
It's a contempt matter. Notice has to be issued, Mr. Counsel.
Yes, ma'am.
Issue notice, registered post. I mean, it was speed post ne ki bana hai. So 3 weeks release to and so.
Well, in the writ petition, they are supposed to file affidavit, connected writ petition.
Item 5.
Just 1 second. That is my V2 logo. So V2 release code.
But here I am supposed to take the instruction.
Yes.
I have received the communications. They have sought for 7 days more time.
7 days more time.
More time, Lord.
I say, my lord, that at least 4 posts will be kept back in, my lord, because they will fill it up, my
You
lord.
get it on Monday. Heard Mr. G.N. Sahewala, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. M. Sahewala, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. D. Nath, Learned Senior Government Advocate, Assam. Pursuant, though by order dated 16/2/2026, this court had directed time to the respondent state to obtain instruction. However, today on call, Mr. Dean Nath seeks a short accommodation to get the to complete the instructions. Mr. G.N. Sahewala, Learned Senior Counsel, opposes the prayer of adjournment, considering that the instructions are essential as a last chance. The matter is posted on such and such date.
Tuesday, my lord.
Tuesday?
Tuesday.
Tuesday? You get it on Tuesday
Mal.
because they are pressing for an interim, no?
My please, lordship, for timing after some time, my senior late court.
What is this? This is item. It's a compassionate appointment case. Notice has to go, I think. Why notice is not issued?
It is covered, you know, so on last occasion it was, I was actually
Covered by what?
by the judgment at page number 34.
Allowed or dismissed?
Allowed, you also dispose of in terms of the earlier judgment rendered with regards to compassion appointment.
But here there is no delay.
There is delay, but it is covered by the judgment of 342 of 2000.
All right, let us see.
After some time later.
Yes, Mr. Borthakur.
Lordship, we are here in the Learned Council was
Yes, yes, it is covered, you know.
whether it is a covered case or not, that was
It is covered.
covered.
Where do I find this judgment 26/2022?
Page
40?
And finally, direction your lordship will get it at page 56. Para 19 and 20.
So here the petitioners have also been given regular benefit of regular appointment. So this you need it from retrospective.
No, sir. And the honorable court said.
What are how many petitioners are there?
Here, your lordship.
Just keep their initial appointment order date
Lord.
readily available.
Lord. 15 petitioners here, your lordship.
So I will need their,
Lordship.
or we will simply say of their initial appointments. Because since there's 15
Lordship.
petitioners, it would be difficult.
Lordship.
Okay. Heard Mr. S. Borthakur, Learned Counsel for, sorry, sir. Heard Mr. S. Borthakur, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. D. Bora, Learned Government Counsel for the state respondent. By filing the instant writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is seeking past benefits, na?
Lordship.
Seeking past benefits,
Retrospective benefits, your lordship.
seeking past retrospective benefit
With effect from 6 to 2016.
with effect from 6 to 2016.
That is the date on which they were contractual appointments were made.
As supervisor, post to asile. Stop. The case of the writ petitioner is that they were initially appointed as supervisor on 6/2/2016, and subsequently they have been regularized.
Regularized, your lordship.
They have been regularized. However, the benefit of the regular appointment was not given to them from the initial date of their appointment.
Yes.
It is submitted at the bar that similar issues have already been decided by this court in WPC 7215 of 2018 and WPC number 6798 of 2004 by judgment and order dated 20/6/2022 and 16/6/2025. Relevant portion of the judgment dated 26/2022 in WPC 7215 of 2018 reads as under quote unquote paragraph 19 or 2022. Page 56. Mr. D. Bora, upon instruction from the Office of the Director of Women and Child Development Assam, via communication dated 19/2/2026, submits that the issue involved in the present writ proceeding is similar to the said case to the facts and circumstances of WPC 7215/2018 and WPC 6798 of 2024. Stop. Considering that this court has already granted such benefit with retrospective effect, which the learned counsel appearing for the respondent fairly submits that such benefit be also extended to the petitioner, this court in the interest of justice deems appropriate to dispose of this writ petition by directing that the petitioners, since the petitioners have been given the benefit of regular appointment, such benefits are to be given retrospective effect from the date of their initial appointment made on 6/2/2016. Such retrospective effect would also include the balance of the monthly salaries, which is to be calculated in terms of scale, which the petitioners would have been otherwise paid, and the arrears be released to them accordingly. All other benefits, including fitment in the appropriate scale of pay, seniority, etc., are also directed to be given to the petitioners. The aforesaid direction is given in view of the fact that there is no dispute with regard to the nature of service discharged by the petitioners as supervisors and are part of the same cadre of supervisors, which also includes regular appointee in the rest 75% of the vacancies. The writ petition accordingly stands disposed of, allowed and disposed of. The directions contained in the preceding paragraphs are to be complied within a period of 60 days from today. No order to cost. A copy of the communication dated 19/2/2026 is kept on record and marked as A. X, marked as X.
Item 8.
May I please, the lord? Later pertains to my lord compassionate appointment, my lord.
Notice.
My lord, DLC has already recommended.
Notice. They need to inform.
My lord.
First date has come. Issue notice their name to S. Hajorika.
My lord.
S. Hajorika. Relist on such and such date.
All right, my lord.
20. That being item number 6.
It's covered.
Covered case, Lordship.
Where is that judgment?
My lord, that is, your Lordship will find page 34.
Relevant page.
Died?
My father, Lordship.
When?
Died on Lordship 25/6/2016.
25/6?
2016.
Page 39, the relevant portion.
Yes.
This is also squarely covered.
Yes, in my case, another case number will be there.
So the order is, in your case, what will be the order?
Yes.
Date?
Page, Lordship,
No, what is the date?
date, Lordship, I am giving, Lordship.
Which order is not applicable? That date. In para 9.
Para 9, yes.
You have filed after, you have filed it after 3/4/25.
Yes.
So therefore, the direction issued in the order 3/4/25 would not be applicable. Correct?
Lordship.
In the case of the petitioner, is when there is already an order of this court dated 24/11/23 and clarified on so and so to place the matter before the DLC. So this whole, everything is the same.
My
Because I'll have to
Yes.
author a judgment. That's why I'm asking. Then later you will have to file a review
No.
if the dates are not correct. It's the hardest judgment to author is when
Yes.
the council says it's a covered case and simply says covered case and goes
Yes.
away.
Yes, I understand.
And then,
Here the DLC minutes, your Lordship.
that's why I'm asking. Yes.
Annexure 3.
Where is it? Which page?
Page 20.
Yes.
56 is relevant.
26. I'm sorry. Type.
So you were been recommended.
Yes.
Heard Mr. M. Khan, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. D. Bora, Learned State Counsel. By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the writ petitioner is claiming compassionate appointment on the ground that his father, name.
Hilal Ahmed Chaudhary.
Mhm.
In the synopsis, Lordship, first line.
Late Hilal Ahmed Chaudhary, while serving as Gaon Panchayat Secretary Bajarghat in Sribhumi district, died in harness on 25/6/2016. It is the specific case of the petitioner that thereafter the petitioner filed an application on 23/8/2016 before the respondent number 5 for compassionate appointment, but her case was not placed before the DLC for consideration. Accordingly, the petitioner filed WPC 776 of 2023, wherein this court on 26/2023 was pleased to direct to place her case in the next DLC meeting for consideration. Thereafter, on 26/6/2023, the petitioner's case was recommended for appointment as grade 4 employee and forwarded the same to the respondent number 1 for placing it before the SLC. However, her case has not been placed before the SLC in view of the office memorandum dated 18/9/2024. Challenging the said office memorandum dated 18/9/2024, a series of writ petitions were filed, which were ultimately disposed of on 3/4/2025, whereby the respondents were directed to consider their cases without taking recourse to the said OM dated 18/9/2024. Consequently, multiple writ petitions were filed, one such being WPC 7034 of 2025, wherein this court, by judgment and order on 10/12/2025, was pleased to direct the authorities to place and consider the petitioner therein's case in the next available SLC. The instant petition is in the aforesaid premises, the writ petitioner seeks appointment on compassionate ground as directed in WPC 7034 of 2025. Where is this 24/11/23 order?
In that writ petition, Your Lordship.
Where is that? Where have you annexed it?
No. Yes, Your Lordship. In his case, Your Lordship, the earlier order is at page number 22. 26/2023. His writ petition.
Page 21, relevant.
Whose writ petition? The same petitioner.
My writ petition, earlier writ petition.
Earlier writ petition. It was disposed of. The direction is at page number 23.
Mr. Bora, learned CGC, fairly submits that the judgment and order of this court passed in WPC 7034 of 2025 squarely covers the facts and circumstances of the present case. Having heard the learned counsels appearing for the parties and having perused the material available on record, it appears that though the present writ petition is filed after 3/4/2025, yet the direction issued in the order dated 3/4/2025 would not be applicable in the case of the petitioner, inasmuch as there is already an order of this court dated
Lordship 10/26/2023.
Where is that order? Where is that
Page
order?
22. 21 is the relevant.
23.
No, date of order 22. 20.
26/2023. In WPC 776 of 2023 to place the matter before the DLC. That is the order.
Yes, yes.
To place the matter before the DLC, pursuant to which the DLC has approved the case of the petitioner on that date.
On 26/6.
On 26/6/2023.
Relevant page.
And as a logical corollary, the case of the petitioner now has to be placed before the SLC. Thus, taking note of the aforementioned case facts and circumstances and also the submission of the learned counsel for both the parties, this court is inclined to dispose of this petition by directing the respondent authorities to place the case of the petitioner before the next available SLC, and in the event of the matter of the petitioner being placed before the SLC, the same shall be considered in accordance with law. The writ petition accordingly stands disposed of. No cost. If you need to be page 39 or Punjab. Disposed of. You want your name? Give an appearance.
I am government advocate, not CDC.
Oh, sorry. State Council. You appear for CGC also, don't you? Or you appear against? Okay.
For allegation. Item number 9.
Yeah, change করে দিব নাকি? এখানে সোনকালে কৰা, তাৰপিছত আকৌ আহি যাবা। Yes.
Ready. If we are pray for listing the matter for hearing, my lord.
Pleadings are complete.
Yes, my lord.
All right, I'm admitting it and posting it for hearing.
Yes.
Item 9, na?
Yes.
Heard Mr.
Okay, Goswami.
P.K. Goswami, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. S. Datta, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Ms. K. Bora and Mr.
My lord.
You're appearing.
My lord, I have been impleaded, my lord, by the last order passed by this honorable court, 10 to 35 private respondents. My lord, I have yet to file a vakalatnama.
First, give me your name.
PR, sir.
And Mr. P.R. Sharma, Learned Counsel, appearing for the newly impleaded respondent numbers.
10 to 35.
10 to 35. Anyone else? MS. D. Bora, Learned Counsel, appearing for respondent numbers. Health Department. Mr. Sharma submits that pursuant to the notice is issued upon being newly impleaded in the present writ petition, he has instructions to appear in the matter on behalf of the newly impleaded respondent and accordingly is going to file power on behalf of the newly impleaded respondent. Relist after such and such date. You file it.
Affidavit, I have to seek instructions, my lord.
You first file your power, you get in the picture.
Yes, yes.
And then file whatever you want to file. You don't need permission from this court to file your affidavit. The notice says it.
Deeply obliged.
Yes. Next matter, please.
My lord.
Yes, Mr.
Item
Puya.
number 10, my lord. This is with regard to my lord selection of Gauhati. Now, my lord will kindly see the whole process has been cancelled. I can did it also.
Your affidavit's not come till now.
No, it is not there. But we have received the parawise comment. This matter has become infructuous. In view of that whole selection process, my lord, they have gone through it. There were a lot of loopholes, and
Selection is cancelled.
cancelled. That is becoming.
What have you challenged? You have not challenged the cancellation order.
No.
You have challenged the selection.
Lordship, earlier.
You have challenged the selection, correct?
Lordship.
Now, Mr. Bhuya is saying that selection itself has been cancelled. Then what remains? Nothing remains. The matter has become infructuous. Give him a copy.
Yes. Cancel. There is a EC order, my lord, will kindly see.
Yes.
Yeah. Second page, my lord. Land and Revenue Department, RNB.
Cancellation of earlier selection process.
Yes. Yes.
The EC also decided to convey its decision to the senior standing so-and-so.
Yes.
So it's cancelled.
It's become infructuous.
It's become infructuous.
12, 14, my lord, same order, my lord. 14 also.
Which one?
12, item number, my lord, I am giving it, my lord.
Give it. 10, 11, 12.
No, 10, 12, 19, and 46. All, my lord, similar.
Please ask your junior to give the numbers.
Yes, my lord. Yes.
But what about 11?
11 is the state of Gaumburas, my lord. We have nothing to do.
But it is tagged here.
Yes, 11 tagged because of the.
All right, then please give the numbers.
Yes.
Please give the number. And in all these cases, petitioner is represented by you.
No, item 10. only.
10 is
What
there.
about the other petitioner?
12 SK Das is there. Nobody appears, my
To me,
lord.
first at 10 to Luluson. Saurabh.
My name is
You
Gauhati.
are in item 10, right?
10. Yes.
Heard-
Gauhati Karim. My name.
Heard Mr. AAR
Karim.
Kareem, Learned Counsel, appearing for the writ petitioners. Also heard Mr. A. Bhuya, Learned Standing Counsel, BTC. Stop. And it appears that the subject matter in the instant writ petition is the is the
In the BTC areas.
appointment of the petitioners as regular Gauburas of their respective villages. Where is the selection process?
My lord, that was, my lord, advertisement was floated in 2008.
Pursuant to the advertisement, right? Pursuant to an advertisement dated 2/2/17. So they were not appointed, they wanted to be appointed.
My lord,
তুমি সরফ কি বুলি লিখিলা তুমি কোৱা ইস্যু ইনভলভ বুলি কৈছো নেকি কি বুলি লিখিলা তাৰ আগত
112.
পঢ়িলো বহা পঢ়ি দিয়া appointment nokuba is the selection process for the post of regular Gaubura in BTC area pursuant to an advertisement dated 2/2/17. Today, when the matter is called, Mr. A. Bhunya, Leonard Standing Counsel, submits the minutes of the Executive Council meeting of the BTC held on 27/10/2025
Yes.
to contend that the entire selection process in question has been cancelled.
Cancel.
The copy of the aforesaid minutes is also placed before this court, which is kept on record and marked as X. Having noted that the subject selection process, which has been challenged in the present writ proceeding, having already been cancelled, nothing survives for adjudication in the present writ petition. Accordingly, the writ petition stands closed. You want your names given appearance slip. So item 10 is gone. Now what else?
12, my lord.
Who's appearing in 12?
12,
So same order will go.
yes.
My lord,
Only your name. S.K.
Yes.
Das.
I am R. Karim Lordship.
Sorry?
R.
R. Karim. He is A.A. R. Karim and you are only R.
R. Karim. my lord.
Okay. Item 12, Saurabh. Baki everything remains the same. Then next,
19, my lord.
who's
Yeah.
appearing in 19?
Muhammad J. Alam.
Lordship, in between item number 11 is there.
11 is states, not
No.
BTC.
1 second, 11 is different.
My lord.
Yes.
In item 19, who is there?
J. Alam, M. Islam,
Give me the file.
H.M. Ali, my lord.
Give me the file.
Rukmini Porwa and Padmini Porwa. My lord, these two should be coming other, my lord, other side, my lord, because they are for the state.
S.R. Rabha, no, that was for the state.
Yes.
None appears for the petitioner on call. I think this also the same order will go there.
Same, all cancel, my lord, all.
And none appears for the petitioner on call and ticketer Bakikini, everything remains the same. Mr. Bhuya, please ask your junior to give me 2 more copies of
Yes,
this.
my lord, I will.
It has to be kept independently in the
Yes,
3 files.
Yes. Photocopy will be there by.
Yes. It will tintate bhorai dibo de and mark it as X. Sort of
14 and 46 is there.
46 also there.
46 hearing, my lord, it has become infected.
46 who is appearing?
My lord, the name that has been reflected
Mark
is
Koilusa Bhalke. Mark Koilusa appearing. Who is appearing in 46?
B.C. Das, S.H. Rahman, D.A.
Anyone there?
Karim, E.
No, none appears Koripale Korilba 46.
And another similar matters were there, my
But
lord.
they're not before this court.
Not before that, tried to mention, my lord, that this is become infraction. He could not put it up. New boy, my lord.
Monday.
I leave it to your court to reach that, my lord. Monday, my lord. Monday.
The list call.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Yes. What's your name?
Nivan. NIVAN.
Nivan. All right, Nivan, give it to the court master.
Very
The
good
list.
guy, my lord. He has done
All
his
right.
LLM outside, my lord.
Okay, next, please. Mata. Bakikini.
My lord, in item
Yes.
11, Mr. Eskadas will be appearing. May I pray for adjournment for today, my lord?
As prayed for by Mr. R. Karim, released on such and such date.
Pleasure, lordship.
Item 13.
It has not signed affidavit.
My lord, we are yet to file the affidavit.
Your
my lord.
face is saying it.
My lord,
How much more time?
my lord, at least 2 weeks. They have written that they could not raise the record, my lord. It's an old issue, 2005.
All right, as prayed for by Mr. Ardhor, released on such and such date to enable the state respondent put their return in the matter.
May I pray for a date, man? I mean, the March.
23rd of March.
Deeply.
In this court, everybody walks out with a date. You don't have to mention.
Item 15. I may be allowed to file affidavit.
Why you need a permission? You file.
In item 15, we have filed affidavit yesterday, Your Lordship.
It's not come on record.
Not come on record.
All right, heard Mr. C.
N Sarkar.
Huh?
N Sarkar.
N. Sarkar, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
R. Boro.
R. Boro, learned counsel appearing for
Respond number 5.
respond number 5. MS Chakraborty, learned counsel appearing for the standing counsel.
Yes,
Your standing counsel, learned standing counsel DHAC. Mr. D. Bora, 8, respondent 8. Yes, Mr. Dhar. Mr. Dhar, respondent numbers. Respondent number 1. Your name again?
R. Boro.
R. Boro, learned counsel appearing on behalf of
5.
5 submits that an affidavit in opposition has been filed yesterday. However, the same is not on record. Let registry verify and place the same on record, released on such and such date.
Obliged.
Sort of. Okay.
Item 17.
We date to go amna pale luluba.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes, Mr. Das.
Your Lordship may not take up this matter because in view of the order that is 6/2026, my lord, passed by a court bench of this honorable court, presided over by Justice Rajesh Majumdar, my lord. This matter was heard in at pledge, my lord.
So it's part heard.
Part that has been recorded, my lord. But the matter has been heard extensively. That is there.
It is submitted at the bar that the present matter has been extensively heard by a coordinate bench. Let registry verify and place the matter before the appropriate bench.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Item 18.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, the matter pertains to my lord family pension, my lord.
Yes.
The husband of the petitioner, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Goswami, family pension matter. I see my index blank.
No, Lordship, we filed our affidavit, Lordship.
When did you file your affidavit?
No,
No, the affidavit is not on record.
Lordship, it is sent for vetting, Lordship.
Ah.
Today, Lordship, today I will file, Lordship.
You'll file.
Yes, Lordship, today I will.
Sure.
Yes, Lordship.
Heard Mr. N. Sarkar, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Mr. J.K. Goswami, learned counsel appearing for the AHNV Department, Government of Assam, submits that the affidavit has been sent for vetting and is going to be filed today itself.
Yes.
In view of the aforesaid endorsement, relist on such and such date.
Lordship, here in this case, eternity, it is the transferred subject. We have some limited scope, Lordship.
Very well, but your affidavit you filed, you said.
I will file, Lordship, but at the same time.
You also want Ms. Chakraborty to file.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes,
because-
Ms. Chakraborty, how much time?
Zero instructions.
In the further MS P. Chakraborty, learned standing counsel, DHAC,
Yes, madam.
submits that she has received instruction in the matter and accordingly shall file the return shortly. After 2 weeks, they released on such and such date.
Item 23.
None appears on call, released on such and such date. Give your name. If you stay in that corner, how will I know you are appearing?
Item 24.
24 minutes, yeah, pleadings complete.
Pleadings complete.
My lord,
There's one small prayer. I had raised this prayer on 21/8/2024 also. University Grants Commission has been made a respondent number 5. But this particular institute, I have pleaded in my affidavit in opposition at page number 133. That with regard to all the statements made in the writ petition, the answering respondent begs to state that the Institute of Advanced Study in Science and Technology is a university imparting technical education and as such does not fall under the University Grants Commission, as it has its own.
Ms. Agarwal, what is, you need not read the entire paragraph. What is that you want to submit?
That this particular institute which has been against which the writ petition has been filed, that institute does not fall under UGC. So UGC may be struck up as a respondent.
That we will see at an appropriate stage, Ms. Agarwal. You have not filed an application for striking off the name of UGC. Have you filed that? So that's all right. Then there is no interlocutory application for making that prayer right now. You have made that an averment in your affidavit when the case is heard. At that stage, we'll see if you are required or not required. Pleadings are complete. Pleadings are complete. So I'll have it admitted and fix it for hearing.
Date is,
Mr. Counsel,
on March.
Mr. Counsel, have some patience.
Smile.
Your name?
Yes, not.
Heard Mr. S. Nath, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
D. Gogoi, my lord.
D. Gogoi, Learned Counsel, appearing for respondent number 2 and 3.
2 and 4.
2 and 4, and MSP Agarwal, Learned
Respondent number 5, standing counsel UGC.
Standing Counsel, UGC, within bracket, respondent number
5.
5. Anybody else? Yes, Mr. Bora, anybody else is appearing here? What about 1 and all? Who are the other respondents? They are not interested?
Union of India is the respondent number 1.
So where is CGC? None appears for CGC on call. Upon hearing,
Particularly this particular matter, perhaps not clear. What is my name may be recorded.
okay, give your name. So and so for CGC, huh? The pleadings are complete. Upon hearing the Learned Counsel for the parties, it appears the matter involves matter requires full-fledged hearing. Admit, no formal notice, relist on such and such date for hearing.
Second of that. All right.
Item 25.
Like this lordship, well, I filed an additional affidavit as per last order. In the meantime, they have not filed any government. I'm not last 3 years together, my lord.
Last?
3 years. It is case of 23. They have not.
Yes, Mr. Fukan. What are you waiting for filing your affidavit? You need some special invitation.
But that additional affidavit not in the record. My number is there.
What?
The government has to file. The government has to file it for.
Heard Mr. Casey R.C. Paul, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. A. Fukan, Learned Counsel, appearing for respondent number. D. Bora, are you there?
I'm for.
Huh?
I'm for 3.
You want my brief?
My lord, I'm for 3, my lord. My lord, I'm for 3, my lord.
Huh? You're for 3.
Has been newly, my lord.
Mr. Bora, please take the brief from the petitioner and find out who you are representing. And in sort of Mr. Paul has so and so submits that an additional affidavit has been filed when? Additional affidavit filed
Yes,
when?
I know 17 of
On 17
February.
to 2026. However, the same is not on record. Let registry verify and place the same on record. Relist on such and such date. Yeah, are you all going to file affidavits? In the meantime, the respondents,
Already
if so
done it.
advised, shall file their affidavit in opposition in the matter.
Next on 17 or 15.
Did you update to?
517.
17. Much of life.
5 to 15.
Bora is 5 to
15.
15. And Fukan is
For 3, my lord.
only for 3.
3 and 1. 1 and 3.
1 and 3. What about 2?
2 is finance.
Shalia is there.
That is in the building.
None appears for the finance department on call. Yes, next.
For admission hearing, my lord.
Item 26 and 27. Bit.
Yes, Mr. Kaushik.
This
Certain developments.
certain developments, what happened?
The matter was adjourned on the last occasion to enable you to obtain instructions. This is you. You have given this.
Petitioners, out of the 10 petitioners, 8 have been promoted, which is the prayer. Only 2 have not been promoted because of the pendency of a disciplinary proceeding as well as the pendency of the punishment meted out to them. So that is what is
So out of 10.
out of
Out of 10, how many promoted?
8.
8. 2 are still left
Two was still there.
because of DP pending.
DP and the punishment
So the case is for promotion.
promotion.
The case is for promotion with effect from the date when my batchmates were promoted. So what happened was I was.
So now the promotion, they're not giving you that benefit.
I have not been given.
So you file an affidavit?
Yes.
You have not filed your affidavit, Mr. Bora.
Because in the-
2023 map.
Heard Mr. B. Kaushik, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. D. Bora, learned counsel, learned government counsel, huh?
Yes. sir.
Learned government counsel. Mr. Bora submits that out of the 10 numbers of the petitioners, 8 of the petitioners has already been promoted. However, in respect of the 2 petitioners, other 2 petitioners, there being departmental proceeding pending, their cases for promotion has not been taken up till now. He accordingly seeks a short accommodation to file an affidavit in opposition in the matter. You file your affidavit.
Lordship, I just want interference, Lordship. Promotion has been done, Lordship. They
They are not happy.
effect of
You
this,
see,
Lord-
Ms. Counsel,
Yes, Lordship.
they are seeking promotion from this
Lordship.
court. If you don't want to file your affidavit, I
No,
can
no,
dispose
well,
it of.
Because in a
So you bring it by way of an affidavit. He's not happy with the promotion that
Lordship,
has been
Lordship.
given. He's claiming for more benefits. Now,
And in fact, in the earlier repetition, my lord, there my seniority has been fixed. That is after
anyway,
14 years.
let the affidavit come, you
Lordship.
file your reply,
Yes, yes, sir.
and then we can have it. There is a
That's-
procedure how these matters has
Yes,
to be
yes,
dealt.
Lordship.
We cannot just give an audience on every date.
Yes.
Uh,
Yeah, I was expecting this in 2023.
Yes.
my lord, sir.
Relist on such and such date. You take this back, huh, Mr. Bora? It is right.
These are old things.
Whose name should go? M. Chakrabarti. M. Chakrabarti naam to read. Additional senior government counsel.
Grateful.
Eleven.
M. Chakrabarti, no, sorry.
That's it.
Yes, Mr. Banik.
May it please your lordship. In substance, my lord,
Yes.
my husband and the second wife, Mohammedan, my husband married twice. Now, under the law, I am not entitled to family pension per se, but share maker. Now, prior to that, a writ petition was filed by me, wherein the first wife, I'll not refer to the pages now, agreed that yes, we'll share 50-50. However, on the aspect of misconduct of my late husband, we moved the appeal. Writ appellate court affirmed 50-50 and said, all right, misconduct is struck aside. Thereafter, pension was being paid 50-50. It continued. On agreement. Suddenly, the mother comes and says, well, my son died. I'm also entitled to a claim. And I also challenged, saying that they wanted to give the first wife en bloc. Both petitions taken up.
Mother and 2 wives. Now the claims are
No, mother and 2 wives are there. The first petition was filed by me saying that I have a share.
you are the second wife.
I'm the second. The first wife agreed.
Who's the first wife? Mr.
No, he'll be for the AG.
What about affidavits?
No, no,
Affidavits not filed.
It's clear.
Mediation, not.
Oh, no.
It is.
After mediation.
Huh?
Today, I think it is placed after mediation.
The matter is today before the mediation.
No.
After mediation.
After
it has come
mediation.
again, Lord.
So what happened in the mediation? It
Mediation
did not
they-
be solved.
No, Lord.
What I am on is that it has been already adjudicated by the Honorable High Court. If I would invite my lord's attention to page. Lordship would take page 32. That's the writ petition of the
Yes.
user and page 32.
Yes.
And the observation, how it is settled, is at page 36.
This is filed by.
One by mother, one by me. After the arrangement, while pension was being
So
drawn
there are
50
2 cases together. Narji Begum is the
second wife,
is you
yes, second wife.
and
Tamiyam Bibi is the mother.
Tamyam is the mother.
Now, Lordship would have page
And
36.
Mushida is the first wife.
The first wife and second wife agreed 50-50. Those cases are there earlier. I the next. I'm not on that. Page 36. It holds now.
Yes.
May I read number 1?
Yes, please.
The mother of the deceased employee, that is Tamiyam Bibi, would be entitled to receive 10% of the share of family pension receivable by each of the 2 widows of deceased Tamiyam Bibi, subject to revision. So,
we had 50-50, we have 40-40 now. She'll get 20, 10-10. Comes from both ends. Could I
Yes.
express it, my lord?
Yes.
The respond number 5 and 6 in so-and-so to submit joint application before the respond number 3 by enclosing certified copies of the order.
So this settlement, I mean, this
Good
order
done.
is very clear.
Absolutely, my lord. Thereafter, what happened is at page 37. Page 37. After this,
So 50-50 and
no,
sub-
40-20.
basically 50-50 and from both of your
Yes,
share, 10-10
10-10.
goes to the mother.
Yeah, absolutely. Now, at page 37 is the impugned order. May I read it?
Yes.
I am to forward herewith the FPPO number so and so, both halves in favor of Srimati Murshida Begum, wife of late Tamiyam Bibi so and so, 34,490 EPF 17,250 so and 10350 PM, being enhanced and normally family pension respectively, and to request that pensioner's portion of the order may be made over him. So everything is being given now to the first wife. The mother has not come to the court. Now I have come. Now, on and from this date, Lordship, the date would be 2nd December something, 25/11/24. Since 24 onwards, I have not received pension because of this. Now, when I have come to this honorable court, the honorable court passed.
Mr. Panik, I have not understood this particular, this is written by whom?
This is written by the accounts officer.
What is the
Addressed to
objection?
Nothing objection. They interpret it their way, saying that no, second wife will not give, will give to the first wife. Well, I also say.
But this will go against the judicial direction.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I'm on that.
In other words, it's a circumvention of the
circumvention.
judicial order, isn't
Absolutely.
it? Because that order is unambiguous. It is it's very clear, 50-50, 10-10, mother. So you will get 40, she will get 40, mother will get 20 total, 10 from you, 10 from her.
Therefore, when we have moved the writ petition, this writ petition, I have been.
Is this under challenge here?
No, yes, it's under challenge.
This 35, 32.
Absolutely. 37.
37. This is under challenge. in this
37 and
writ petition.
39 also. That Lordship would find that page 40, 37 and 40. 40. Again, it says, I am to request you to arrange payment from Bilasipara so and so sum of 5 lakhs odd to Srimati Murshida Begum. And then they give the list of the heirs. But I am not on that.
You are not in this.
No. I am there. But I'm saying.
Why are you aggrieved by this?
I am aggrieved by this because under the law, I am not entitled to get. But under an arrangement and upheld by this court of law, the arrangement is defined and demarcated. Thereafter, an executive authority has no jurisdiction to tinker with the judicial order. I am not in a contempt jurisdiction. I'm here to protect my rights. I'm unable to survive. Therefore, the IA, the interlocutory application, I filed.
But Mr. Barwa, why is this confusion? The order at page 36 is very clear. Why are the
Hear me, Lord, because as per judgment of this honorable court passed in writ appeal, we will be giving pension paper to first page. Thereafter, it will be.
No, this order was put to challenge.
That order, as per order, we have given to first page. Then thereafter.
Mr. Barwa, you're not answering the court. I'm asking the order passed in 4015 of 2022. Has it been put to challenge? Has an appellate court interfered? Is there a stay order? The question is very simple. The answer forthcoming is yes or no.
Even this stand would be wrong in view of page 28. Last one. No, in last one.
Why, Mr. Barwa, you are not acquainted with your brief? The court, the court is not the place where you need to flip through the pages. I am asking a simple question because the judgment has been shown by Mr. Banik, which he rightly contends, then it has already been disposed of, giving out as what will be the share between the three people. Unless and until that has been set aside by a higher forum or reviewed by the same coordinate bench, that order remains. That order has attained finality. Now, if that being so, then they should get in the manner it has been given. You are having any difficulty in complying, then you'll have to come up with some application.
Below, after this, it will be divided by the treasury officer.
Sorry?
Treasury officer.
No. What treasury officer has to just give it? Can you come to page 36? of the writ petition. Now just go to go to 35 for a minute.
Yes,
35. Go. You please come to 35. The page, just one page before. Read from the last line. Since all parties. Read that. Read it loud, please.
Since all parties have agreed to do above arrangement and considering the facts and circumstances of the cases in its entirety, these two writ petitioners are being disposed of by providing decision as the mother of the deceased employee so and so will be entitled to receive 10% and the share of the decision to addition. So this for the 5 and 6, so the submit application, the thereby certificate complete. Yes.
Read. You have not finished it. The respondent number 5 and 6.
The petitioner furnish the bank receiving the amount to the tribunal secretariat the bank account which the arrangement dispute has been parties regarding sharing of this be resolved in view of the arrangement order made the WBC their pension has been granted in favor of the first wife, that is Khurshida Begum is interfered with. The writ petition stand disposed that by providing the family pension receivable on the amount of divided into 50% first and second wife of the disease subject parting with 10% of the amount demanded.
Read, Mr. Bora, you are in a hurry. Continue reading.
Last time I put it.
Read it.
Yes.
With the above arrangement, the dispute inter se between the parties regarding
family, regarding sharing of family pension
would stand
resolved
permanently. In view of the above arrangement,
the impugned order dated 5/9/22,
whereby the entire amount
of
pension has been granted in favor of the first wife, stands interfered with.
Yes. Here.
Correct?
Here.
Yes.
Now my submission, we issue, that is my submission in here, we issue one PPO. We cannot issue two PPOs. That PPO will be issued in favor of first wife. Then this sharing, this all will be done by Treasury Office. This is all is to be done by, we issue only one PPO that is in favor of first wife, already issued in favor of first wife. Now Treasury Office will do this necessary arrangement.
Who is the Treasury Officer?
And according
who is representing the Treasury Officer?
One submission is there, one let me due permission. Then Treasury Officer asked me one addition. How much it will be given to her, to second wife?
Then the Treasury Officer cannot ask you that question. That question has been answered by this court. Yes, Mr. Chalia. But why is the Treasury Officer not complying?
But there is a PPO, one nominee will be there, Lordship, that because the bank details of that one nominee will be there. So that amount has to be transferred to that account.
Mr. Chalia, see, I am simply not being able to understand that why after there being a judicial order, it is so much difficult for the respondents to comply with it. In case there were difficulty, why haven't you all filed any application for some modification? Because the last part also makes it clear, both the writ petition stands disposed of by providing that the family pension receivable on account of MD so-and-so shall henceforth be divided 50-50 between the first and second wife of the deceased, subject parting with 10% of amount with the mother of the deceased. Everything has been given, right? Now the treasury of, now Mr. Barwa says only one PPO. Okay, he's given one PPO. It goes to the treasury officer. The treasury officer has to finally put it in the accounts of these two wives, 50-50.
The issue is, Lordship, PPO is issued in one person's name. that and the account details is also given of one person only. So whatever amount is there, it has to go to that account, and the usual practice is then after the one of the the nominee receives the amount, it is divided proportionately as per the court's order. And if there's a
The second wife cannot be at the mercy of the first wife now, because the first wife will not give you to the second wife.
that is when
Where now then in that case, on Monday I'm fixing it. You show me which is the rules which says that only one PPF. What is it called? PPO has to be issued, because
That
what
would be perhaps not correct factually, because my client had been receiving in 50/50 issued by the authorities until this chaos came up.
This
where was it?
I have this document.
Show me.
I can have it, but I don't have an affidavit.
Show me. So if it was earlier done,
Yes,
what is
yes.
the difficulty now?
Page 28, if Lordship has it for a
What is the difficulty, Mr. Chalya?
maybe how the payment was made, was it paid through the treasury, Lordship?
Mr. Banik, can you bring that on affidavit?
I would, but they are too poor. They cannot even come down from Nagaon to Gauhati. This is the difficulty at the moment.
How
I
the
can't-
amount that was it paid through the treasury officer?
It was paid in both accounts.
Let them.
Councils
I'm also
maintain the decorum of. If you don't interact here between councils, you only address the court. Mr. Banik, you see, that is their objection. Now, in order to buttress that contention, you want to rely on this. So that has to be brought, because they are now saying we don't know how that has been done. Because as of now, I am with you. It defies the logic of this court that after obtaining a judicial order from this court where all the arrangements has been put to rest, how this money has not been given to the second wife. I simply do not
I have
understand.
at page 28. After the writ petition and writ appeal, they were doing that. Page 28 for a moment, my lord.
Show me that.
Well, page 28 of the writ petition.
No, what you wanted to show? Show me that.
Show this from its- Stepping to right. Some pages might have come up, so just this. Some bunches there with me. I know I can get it.
28, yes. What do you want to
28, may I
show?
read that, my lord?
Yes, please. read.
After the initial thing, when the wife had first I had agreed, thereafter this has come up, you know. In pursuance to government of some so and so, OM so and so and so and so, and OM so and so, an amount of rupees 34,490 only sanctioned as family pension on provisional basis from the date of the death of UBC Tayobali, Nagaon so and so. The proceeds are to be paid in equal share to Srimati Murshida Begum and Srimati Naji Begum. Both are wives of deceased so and so who expired on such date as per order passed by the Honorable High Court in Vitable so and so and case number so and so until further orders. This continued. This was there.
And this was being done.
This
You
was
both,
done.
both were getting 50-50.
Absolutely, and in the respective bank accounts.
And this is the
This
bank
show- I'm
account.
sorry for that loose bunch, you know.
No, what is this? This is a bank account.
My client's bank accounts were things.
Where 50%
Yes,
of
yes,
that
yes.
amount was being deposited.
One query I can give. From where that amount has been deposited, Lordship.
You want me to answer your query now,
No,
Mr. Chalya?
No, Lordship.
Do you want me to answer your query?
No, Lordship.
Have patience.
Yes, sir.
I'm not disposing of this petition right away. And you do not ask question to the court.
Lordship, no.
Heard Mr. S. Banik, learned counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. C. Barwa, learned. Yes, Mr. Barwa, you are for
Accountant General.
for the learned. Do you
That's number 6, my lord.
respondent number 6? Standing counsel, accountant general, Mr. A. Chalya, standing counsel, finance.
Yes, sir.
Respondent number.
Respondent number, Lordship.
You do not even know your respondent numbers.
My file has been.
Respondent number so and so. Anybody else?
Finance department, finance no.
Please give your appearance to the court master. It creates a confusion and wrong names would be reflected against a wrong respondent. Mr. Banik, by relying on the judgment and order dated 14/6/2023, passed in WPC 4015 of 2022, wherein this court, while disposing of the said writ petition, has clearly directed that the family pension receivable on account of MD Taiwab Ali shall henceforth be divided 50-50 between the first, within bracket, respondent number, first wife, respondent number 11 and second wife within bracket petitioner of the deceased subject parting with 10% of the amount with the mother of the deceased. Anyone appearing from the mother? Mother within bracket respondent number 12 submits that despite the aforesaid arrangement and direction, the treasury officer is creating unnecessary obstruction in releasing the share of the family pension. Mr. Barua submits that since one
PPO pay order.
Pension pay order has been issued, the treasury officer can release the same only against the first wife.
Yes.
Mr. Chalia similarly submits before the court. However, Mr. Banik, by relying on
Bank statements.
that 28, no?
28. Yes.
By relying on the order dated 23/2/2022 passed by the SP Nogao, which is enclosed as Annexure C to the writ petition, submits that earlier, as per which order? As per?
Writ appeal.
As per the judgment and order passed in WA 78 of 2020, both the first and second wife were receiving we're receiving half
Equal share.
equal share of the family pension. He further submits the bank statement of account of the petitioner to indicate that she has been accordingly earlier prior to the said order of the court was receiving 50% of the family pension from the office of from the treasurer, from the government treasury, right? From the government treasury. Stop. Mr. Chalia seeks a short accommodation to obtain instruction in the matter. Mr. Banik shall make available the statement of accounts of the petitioner to Mr. A. Chalia to receive instruction in this regard. Give it to him and relist on such and such date. It is needless to be clarified, since there is a judicial direction of this court granting the 50% of the family pension to the petitioner, subject to releasing 10% in favor of the mother. Any refusal of the state respondents in complying with, in depositing the same would be contemptuous of the judicial orders passed by this court. I'm returning this to you. Give a copy. Released on such and such date.
In this case, the respondent number 5,
Yes, Mr. Day. Affidavit.
Yes, they are yet to be filed,
Yes, Mr. Mehdi.
Respondent, central government is filed.
You have to file. You're not filing.
Yes, we have the parents commission instruction we have, so we'll file it.
You have to speak. Mr. Day is doing your part. Heard Mr. R. Day, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. S.K. Mehdi, Learned CGC.
Yes,
and Mr.
yes, bro.
CKS Barua, na? CKS,
Nothing.
CKS Barua, Learned Counsel appearing for respondent numbers
5 and 6. Sorry, 5 and 6.
5 and 6. Mr. CKS Barua, so and so seeks a short accommodation to file written in the matter. Prayer is not opposed. Released on such and such time. AC to alap komabo para niki?
Item 32. Natural. They have to file affidavit in opposition.
Yes, Mr. Chalia. As prayed for by Mr. A. Chalia, relist on such and such date to enable the respondent finance Finance?
Yes, Lord.
Respondent Finance, file return in the matter. Yes.
Lordship, they have taken time for filing affidavit. Occasions, Lordship.
No. This is again.
When will you file?
Lordship, 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
The same as
Yes.
prayed for
2 weeks.
Juhi?
Yes.
The same.
Date may be fixed
2 weeks,
again.
Miss Counsel, no counsel walks out from this court without any date.
Obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, regarding removal from the post of the Gauhati.
Who is appearing? Come, NC Hills Autonomous Council, DHAC. Complete instructions, time was taken, yes.
That can be time being. Lordship.
My lord, can
Time
it
being.
Yes, Lordship.
next week can.
He's here, he's
But
here.
is the instructions available?
I don't have that, but it's just coming. He's here in the next one. Just one
Just
minute.
wait for a
Yes.
minute. We'll, anyway, the matter will be adjourned because I don't think the affidavit is filed.
Lord.
Item 36.
Yes, Mr. Mehdi, affidavit is filed. No,
My lord, is not, my lord, some documents, my lord, it is.
not required.
My lord, some documents required to submit by the client of my friend, my lord. So that documents may not submitted properly, my lord. So my lord, if it's submitted, my lord, under the.
Let some time be given, your lordship.
This is my instruction, my lord.
This is for compassionate family
Yes,
petition.
yes, my lord. Yes, these documents, my lord, is required, my lord.
So you file, why are you not submitting it?
I submitted, that's why I've come.
You have submitted?
Yes, my prayer was like that, your lordship.
No, have you submitted or not?
Yes, indemnity bond was required and unmarried and all those things.
Have
were
you
required.
submitted?
Yes, that's why I approached this honorable.
When did you submit? Because the instruction says this refers to your letter and so. I'm to state that since these office is the pension authority, therefore any papers, but it's
more or less similar type of letters came continuously, the last since 2023. The
So
initial letter.
who is appearing for the pension department? Have you received the papers or not?
Some photographs.
Mr. Mehdi, what does your instruction say? Your instruction says you do not know anything.
My lord, this last occasion,
Have you read your instructions?
yes, my lord.
What does your instruction say?
Well, therefore, the papers are to be forwarded to the office by the administrative department of the disease government government servant, and it was precisely intimated to the petitioner in last paragraph of this office letter dated 18/12/2025. So far, this office has not received the requisite papers from the administrative department as
So
called.
basically, it is an internal, because of internal lapses, the petitioner is suffering.
No,
The petitioner says he has submitted all his documents. There's no fault of the petitioner. Now you have to internally sort it out.
Yes, madam.
Now you cannot be giving me instructions saying that someone is not giving you.
It is the duty of the petitioner to submit from the
Petitioner has already submitted. That is this 10, Mr. Mehdi.
My
Your instruction very clearly says, I am to state that since this office is the pension authorizing authority, therefore any papers pertaining to pension in respect of employees are to be forwarded to this office through the pension sanctioning authority, that is the administrative department of the government, servant for authorizing of pension. Now, they are saying that the documents that you have received are not complete. Now, the administrative, that's why I'm asking who is appearing for the administrative department. So who is appearing for the Mahasab? Ma'am, have you received all the papers or not? Because you have to say, it is not for Mr. Mehdi to say whether he is given or not. Only when you send everything, he will get it. Yes, Mr. Das. Have you received all the papers?
I need some time.
See, this is what has been given by Mr. Mehdi. But this doesn't indicate, because his office cannot say it for certain that the petitioner has still not given. We don't know. Petitioner is saying he has given everything.
I think it must have been me because photographs and all the passport size.
So
photographs
you
were
please find
spaced.
out what you have received. If you have received all the full particulars, then you need to send it.
Lordship,
Correct.
we will.
Then you come up and you tell us
Yes.
that within such and such date you can send it.
Yes, yes.
And in the case the petitioner is yet to give you something, then you get us that instruction.
Yes, Lordship.
Right.
We have to communicate. with them.
Correct. It's only that. I don't think any affidavit is required here.
Yes, Lordship.
You just have to give us that information.
Yes, yes, definitely.
So heard Mr. A. Narjari,
Yes, my name is A. Narzari.
learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
RM Das.
R.M. Das, learned standing counsel, DHAC.
NCHC.
Nowadays it is NC Hills, NC
HCC.
HAC. And Mr. S.K. Medhi,
Easy, man.
learned standing counsel, AG. Anybody else? Miss Barwa, Miss Sharma. S. Sharma, standing counsel, Health Department. And 2 and 4. And CKS Barwa, respondent number? 1 and 3, Pension Department, huh? Mr. Medhi submits a communication received from the Office of the Accountant General A&E Assam to the effect that full particulars, that the requisite papers of the petitioner has not yet been received from the administrative department. And the documents which have been forwarded are not in complete shape. Let Mr. R.M. Das, learned standing counsel, so and so, apprise up-to-date status report of the status of the grant of compassionate family pension of the petitioner by the next date of listing. Relist on such and such date. You give a copy to Mr. No, give it to RM Das.
Lordship, regarding item 35, which your Lordship, that Lordship may dispose of this item, Lordship, because there is a provision in the customary law book, Lordship, which we have stated in our affidavit also, that if any dispute arises, Lordship may go through this high level.
Yes.
Lordship, we have stated in our affidavit also, in paragraph 6, Lordship, that
Notwithstanding that the Autonomous Council authority has to approve the appointment of Khunang or Gaubura, if a case of contrary arises, otherwise the decision of the CEM with the decision of VC on the appointment of is final.
that is, means approval is already there. Approval, this appointment of the Gaubura has already been approved. Now there arises a controversy, which the petitioners claim that he is entitled for that. Regarding that, first they have to prefer an appeal before the CEM, as stated in the
that case, my
customary law.
I'm the writ petitioner, my lord. Prior to this, my lord, I have challenged my cancellation by approaching this honorable court. Earlier, a writ petition was prepared, my lord.
Mr. Das, you file an affidavit.
Lord-
Why are you
Lordship,
not filing an
We have
affidavit?
already filed. Lordship.
Affidavit is fine.
Yes, Lordship.
They have you taken this ground in your affidavit? Give me the ground,
Paragraph 6.
Paragraph 6.
because I don't see any reply to have been filed. No reply, no?
Sorry. Paragraph, running page 18, Lordship. Paragraph 6.
What is the dispute?
The petitioner is claiming that he should be appointed as a Gaubura, since there is an allegation and complaint by the concerned public of that village. So the NCL's Autonomous Council, means the concerned revenue secretary, has taken a hearing of both the parties, that is the petitioner as well as of the respondent. After going through that one, the council has come to a decision that the private respondent is the only person that he can be appointed as a Gaunbura. Now, regarding the appointment of that private respondent, petitioner has challenged his appointment, Lordship.
So that means this, decision of the CEM is already there.
Council has already taken the decision.
No, because you see, because in this, what you are showing me,
Yes, Lord.
that indicates that if a case of controversy arises,
Hmm.
otherwise the decision of the, what does it mean?
No,
Anyway, if a case of controversy arises, otherwise the decision of the CEM or council with a decision of the EC on the appointment of the so-and-so is final. So what is final?
Regarding that controversy, after the appointment of the private respondent as Gaunbura, petitioner has challenged his appointment. It seems there is a controversy. So regarding that controversy, let them file an appeal before
No,
the
but
CM.
where is the provision of an appeal? I have not understood.
No, because
You have said that they both got hearing.
yes.
So
both-
then that controversy has already been decided.
Lordship.
Then it would be would it be a fruitful exercise to again approach the same authorities?
No, without means my.
Are you
Yes,
understanding,
yes.
Mr. Das, what I am trying to say?
Yes, Lordship, I understand.
Because there is a challenge put to the appointment now.
Yes.
This challenge has to be decided. Only thing, if we find that there is an effective remedy, alternate remedy, then of course we may not interfere in a 226. But that remedy has to be an effective remedy. That remedy has to be an effective remedy. If a statutory appeal is there, certainly, but I'm not clear on this. It's not very clearly saying because why are you not filing a reply?
My lord, I'll file, on last occasion when the matter was posted before the court, my lord, he was submitted before the court that it was approved, having the approved of the CM, my lord. Court asked him to produce the record, relevant record regarding that, my lord. It was last posted before court number 7.
If
last occasion. And apart from this, my lord.
It is not reflected here. It
but-
simply says instruction, so we don't know what
My
has
lord,
happened.
Apart from this, my lord, this is the second round of litigation, my lord.
Mr. Counsel,
Lordship, I'll file reply, my lord.
you want to file a reply or you don't want to file a
My lord,
reply?
I'll-
Because if you don't file a reply, I am going to decide it on the basis of the pleadings.
Lordship, I'll file.
So then later on, do not say that the court did not give you the opportunity.
My lord.
Heard, Mr.
Jai Lashkar, my lord.
So and so learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. R.M. Das, learned standing counsel, NC Hills, autonomous counsel. Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner seeks a short accommodation to file reply against the affidavit in opposition filed on behalf of the respondent number 2 on 4/2/2026. Prayer is allowed. Mr. Das shall also have the records
Lordship,
available on the next date of listing. Relist on such and such date. Ekon readable.
Right.
My brother's name may also be recorded. He is appearing for a private respondent.
Just give your appearance, please.
Please, Lordship.
My lord, to petitioner.
First time after notice,
Yes, my lord.
all respondents are appearing. Mr. Dhar,
My lord, my lord, my
yes,
lord.
affidavit,
We are yet to file, my lord.
you filing.
We'll file, my lord. Otherwise, even my lord, the thing is that main is from the accountant general, it has to come the affidavit. We have done our part. In page 55, we have forwarded the pension papers.
Who is Accountant General? Barua? Nachalia?
No.
He was here. Otherwise, my lord, we have done our part. We have forwarded. They say that because of he didn't qualify, the 20 years service was not there. But this has been struck down by this honorable court in Sanchita Roy.
Yes.
That is the issue, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Mehdi, are you going to file an affidavit or not? Why nowadays all these communications are done inside the courtroom? If any protocol rules have been changed, I am not aware. You may enlighten me.
What did we give him a traffic profile specially?
As prayed for by Mr. S.K. Mehdi, learned CGC.
Yes, madam.
They were released on such and such date to enable the accountant general,
my lord,
respondent accountant general file return in the matter.
My lord, standing counsel AG, madam. Yes, madam.
Standing counsel AG, huh?
Sorry, my lord, item number 35, my lord. Interim may be continued.
Okay. Juhi, 35 what interim, if any, shall continue till the next date of listing to Lagai Diba.
Apply.
Item 35, huh? Sailoba. Yes, next.
Item 38.
Did ya? Thank you, sorry, sir.
What's your affidavit is now filed? Lordship.
Yes, ma'am.
When instruction, Lordship. can be
Why instructions are you are
from
placing?
AG.
Yes, who is to, I think from
Lordship,
Mr.
in fact, Lordship, affidavit has to be filed. Lordship.
Correct, you file your affidavit. It will.
Lordship, the calculation has been made by the.
I have seen.
Lord.
You see, Miss Counsel, when notice is issued, you are required to file an affidavit. Instruction is not what you need to place before the court, because then the other side does not get a chance to rebut.
Lordship,
If you are accommodating the petitioner, then your instruction is welcome. But here you are, there is a dispute regarding the quantum. You file your affidavit, and then you also respond, because I think you will have to clarify. Your name
A. Sharma.
has prayed for by Ms. A. Sharma, learned counsel, as per Nukurba. A. Sharma submits that she has received instruction in the matter and accordingly seeks a short accommodation to place the same by way of an affidavit. In the meantime, Mr. N. Upadhyay, learned standing counsel, irrigation shall also file return in the matter, relist on such and such date.
Obliged.
Lordship, it could be 27.
Obliged.
Deeply obliged.
Item 39.
My lord, it's a matter of compassionate appointment. The disease father died in 2002. 24 years in between gone. Now what remains, my lord?
My lord, DLC considered my case, my lord, only in the year 2023, lordship. So now case is pending before the SLC. My case was never been resolved.
Where is your affidavit?
Let them file the affidavit, lordship.
File it. Heard Mr. NH.
My lord, we are yet to receive those extra copies. Notice issued, but still now we haven't received.
Mr. R. Dhar, Leonard, you're appearing as? Mr. Dhar, you're appearing as?
Additional senior.
Huh?
Additional senior government advocate.
Learned additional senior government advocate submits that extra copies pursuant to issuance of notice is yet to be received. Mr.
NH Borvial.
NH Barbuya, learned counsel for appearing for the petitioner, submits that the extra copy shall be furnished within
Today, lordship.
within the course of the day, released on such and such date.
12th of March.
Can it be after 24th of March?
27th of March.
Obliged.
Item 40.
So, fastest method for timing because the senior is on his legs. Obliged.
But there are not much matters, huh?
For orders, item number 41.
You are absent on the other day.
Lordship.
Anyway,
Some physical problem.
this matter today was listed under the column with the remark for dismissal. However, Mr. A. Sahad, learned counsel, is present today on behalf of the petitioner. Also, Mr. B. Sharma, Leonard CGC, for the respondent is present. Relist, in view of the, now this matter has to be listed under what column? Hearing. It's already
Fixed earlier on hearing.
in the order column with the remarks so and so in the order column, huh? In view of the appearance of the petitioner, relist the matter for hearing on such and such date. When do you want it?
Lordship, end of March.
Give a date.
Obliged.
6th of March.
26. 22nd.
27.
22nd. Obliged.
42.
None appears on call. This matter today was fixed in the order column with the remark for dismissal as on the last occasion, i.e. 17/2/2026 as well. There was no appearance on behalf of the petitioner. Mr. K.S. Sodial. Just give your name. On behalf of? On behalf of whom?
Respondent was SK Talukdar.
SK Talukdar, Learned Counsel, appearing for respondent number
3 and 5.
3 and 5, and Mr. C.K.S. Barwa, Learned Counsel, appearing for respondent number 1 and 2 are present. In view of no representation on behalf of the petitioner today as well, in view of the consecutive non-representation of the petitioner, the writ petition is then dismissed for non-prosecution.
43.
এটা জায়গায় লিখি দিবা যে reflecting the name of the Mr. J.C. Chaudhary and Mr. S.M. Sharma, learned counsels for the petitioner. মানে despite their names being shown, যে appear করা নাই.
All parties are represented in this matter, Lordship. A matter relates to termination from service. After 20 long years of service.
My senior is in court number
43.
Reply will be necessary.
You're not going to file an affidavit here?
I'm not aware.
Who's your senior?
B. Chakrabarti.
Huh?
B. Chakrabarti. B. Chakrabarti.
But are you filing your affidavit or not? Why this part of the information cannot be given to the councils nowadays?
Lordship, necessary
The
parties.
matters are being kept for time being for bare instructions. You can get your instructions from your senior.
Lordship, necessary parties 2 to 7. Izira.
Who are they?
RKD Chaudhary and 2 private respondents.
Where are they today? They are not there.
Their names are otherwise, they filed Wakalatnama and their names are also shown in the cause list.
Mr. R. Chaudhary was there in the morning. Your name?
GJ Sharma, Lordship.
Heard Mr. Doctor, na? You're Dr. GJ?
Yes.
The heard Dr. G.J. Sharma, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Also heard MS?
A. Sharma.
A. Sharma, Learned Counsel, appearing for?
One.
Appearing for respondent number 1. Though the name of the Learned Counsel appearing for respondent number 2 to 6 is reflected in the cause list. However, there is no appearance. However, there is no representation on call. It further appears that return has not been submitted by any of the respondents.
7 is also there.
Who is appearing for 7?
His name is also shown, Lordship. He has also filed Wakalatnama. Some
R267 করে দিবা 2 to 7, huh? Names of respondents. Ms. Sharma is not been instructed by her senior as regards whether an return would be filed in the matter or not. Relist on such and such date. It is needless to be clarified that when a junior counsel represents give a state. In the meantime, the respondents, if so advised, shall file their respective return.
9th of March.
deeply obliged, Lordship. I'm sorry, Lordship. Can it be 10th of March, Lordship? It's not inconvenient.
Supplementary
Obliged.
now 48 and 49.
May I please your lordship?
Yes, Miss Bora.
Your Lordship, 48, Your Lordship, major part in 48, Your Lordship, item number 48, Your Lordship. Matter pertains to provincialization of the service of this two petitioner, Your Lordship, who worked under Catholic Mission MB School, Your Lordship. That is 48, Your Lordship.
All the affidavit and everything is there.
Complete, Your Lordship.
We
Everything
can
complete.
fix it, admit it and put it on a hearing.
2013 matter.
13 matter, Your Lordship.
Earlier.
48 is 2022.
48 is 2022.
Yes.
It is connected with
connected-
49.
Yes, 13, Your Lordship. Since 13, Lordship, pending before this.
So
one.
we'll have it on a hearing date.
But
We'll admit it and post it on a hearing date.
difficulties there, Your Lordship.
Sorry?
Because difficulties there, Your Lordship. Lordship, R. Majumdar and Lordship UKNI is connected in this case. Last listed before the Honorable.
So that will be listed before any other bench without
Another-
them.
another
What is the
bench, Your
difficulty
Lordship.
then? Heard MS.
What I was submitting is because this is a provisional list they're selling.
Yes.
Provisional list, it has not been fructified as yet. So the matter should be decided by the director of elementary education in a manner which he deems fit and proper, if necessary by hearing the petitioner. The
He's not
provisional list-
agreeable to that, Mr. Das.
Provisional list.
Anyway, we'll post it on a hearing date. Heard MSG Bora, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. B.D. Das, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by MS Deca, R. Deca, Learned Counsel for the respondent. It was 48 of my body. The petitioner has made out a prima facie case. Admit no formal notice as parties are represented. Relist for hearing on such and such date at a short date.
Short
video.
date. Before that, Your Lordship, because in the month of March, one of the petitioner is going to retire, Your Lordship, 13 meter, Your Lordship. So kindly.
12 of March.
Can it be 11, Your Lordship? Much applies to.
If the next matter to tag along corridor.
I am for the petitioner.
Yes, in 49 you are the petitioner. So in 49 I'm not putting any separate order. It's already admitted, I suppose. 49 is already admitted or not?
Admitted.
So 49 will come along with this.
Along with.
Okay.
47.
Mr. Das, you are in 49, not in 48.
49, with the respondents.
So then in 48, whose name will go? Your name? Your name? Jiuddin Koedibu. In 48, Jiuddin for respondent, 8 and 9. And what about the other respondents? You all are there or not? So just give your appearance. And in 49 to Beleke, Nam to Mr. Das on the other side corridor. In view of item 48, to relist. Admitted, na? 49 is already admitted, right?
It was disposed of earlier. It was
Okay.
reviewed and then
Okay.
after.
Okay.
Both should be placed for hearing.
Along with I have done it.
Deeply appropriate. Item number 56.
No, my lord, this is a matter relating to the non-payment of the family pension. The petitioner is the wife of the deceased.
Yes, Miss
If your Lordship period.
Chutya, what about the affidavit? You had received telephonic instructions. You were given time to complete instructions. What happened?
I have received the instruction, my lord, may dispose this matter, my lord, directing a specific time period, my lord.
Sorry?
Directing them to one. My lord, directing the authority to release the my lord, pension, my lord, to the petitioner, my lord. Because if your Lordship periods space 91, my lord, it is admitted, my lord, she is entitled, my lord.
Page?
Space 91, my lord. He stated, my lord, to read, my lord, may I read, my lord?
Yes, please.
With reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to inform you as per the direction, the undersigned initiated the process to release the compassionate family pension and communication
communicated Mrs. Sangeeta Sahu, so and so, wife of so and so. This is by the executive engineer, Department of Fishery to the secretary. It means she is entitled. That's why I am praying for some time, a specific time to release the pension.
So you want a disposal
Disposal.
within a time.
My humble commitment to told of is that petitioner's husband died 6 years ago. Already it has been delayed. I see suffering from hardship.
Mr. Counsel, I cannot direct her to make that payment right now. I'm
No, no.
disposing it off with a direction that
I'm
within
ready.
1 month's time they will.
Yes, that is
Do you have any problem in that?
No, no.
Heard, Mr.
DK Kotogi.
DK Kotoki, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard MSS Chutia, Learned Standing Counsel, Fisher Department. And Mr. SK Medi, Learned Standing Counsel, Accountant General. The facts of the case is that the petitioner is the second legally married wife of deceased Ramesh Sahu. The petitioner's husband's first marriage with Srimati Mala Sahu came to be dissolved by an order dated 28/2/2006 by the Additional District Judge Jorhat. Upon such dissolution of his first marriage, late Ramesh Sahu married the petitioner on 3/4/2002, and out of their said wedlock, 2 children were born. In the aforesaid premises, the petitioner claims pensionary benefits. Upon hearing the learned counsels appearing for the parties and having perused the material available on record, it appears that the Executive Engineer, Department of Fisheries, Assam, by letter dated 11/12/2023, has already directed the Secretary to the Government of Assam Fishery Department to initiate the process to release compassionate family pension in favor of the petitioner. Despite such positive communication for releasing the compassionate family pension in favor of the petitioner, no steps till date has been taken to materialize the aforesaid release. MS Chutia, Learned Standing Counsel, fairly submits that since the executive concerned jurisdictional executive engineer has already directed release of the requisite compassionate family pension in favor of the petitioner, the instant writ petition can be disposed of by directing the respondents to release the same within a fixed time period. You want to say something?
Yes, my lord. The secretary of the department concerned has already directed the executive engineer to release this.
Where is that?
Annexer.
Which page?
This is 68. This letter has been issued to the executive engineer to release the
This is 29/7/23.
Yes, my lord.
After the executive engineer has written to the secretary.
He has again asked the instruction. And the the last pair of the annexer at page 91. He has again requested objection from the secretary concerned.
However, it appears that the secretary to the Government of Assam Fishery Department by letter dated 29/7/2023 has already directed the executive engineer, Department of Fisheries, to take follow-up action for release of share of compassionate pension to the petitioner. That being so, that being so, this court is that being so, this court is of the concerned view that the instant writ petition can be disposed of by directing the respondent authorities to release the family pension to the petitioner within a period of
3 months, my lord.
2 months from the date of receipt of the certified copy of the order disposed of. Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention senior PKR to the less senior division bench line.
Okay, as prayed for released on such and such date.
Obliged.
47.
My lord, item number 46, my lord, it was mentioned in the morning, my lord, and I was not, my lord, available in the court. And my lord, the order was, my lord, non-appears for the petitioner. So, my lord,
It's become infractious.
but my lord,
It has become infractious because Mr. Bhuya,
Yes, my lord.
BTC have submitted that selection process,
has
which
been, my
is,
lord, abandoned.
yes.
So,
So
my
I
lord,
will put your name,
yes, my lord.
give your name. Did you-
DFI,
Give it to the court master, he'll put
yes,
it.
yes, obliged.
47.
Yes, Mr. Rajkwa?
Yes, sir. This matter regarding the non-upgradation of the petitioners from stage 1 to stage 2, Your Lordship, by an erroneous decision of a 3-members committee. And subsequently, they try to justify that it was based on a resolution superseding the regulation of the AICT Act, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, what has happened, the petitioner, Your Lordship, they responded to an advertisement in the year 2012, Your Lordship. That is at Annexure A, page 33. For the post of assistant professor in Central Institute of Technology, Kokrajhar, Your Lordship. At page 33, Your Lordship, Annexure A. So initially,
What is this erroneous finding?
erroneous finding, Your Lordship, if I first go to take Your Lordship to the Board of Directors.
No, just say it. I want to understand.
Yes. So the Board of Governors, on their 25th meeting, they found that the petitioners have been working for more than 5 years in CIT Kokrajhar. And according to the AICT regulation of 2012, Your Lordship, they are supposed to get their next promotion after 5 years of service. Now, your AICT regulation of 2012, Your Lordship, it does not distinguish between contractual, ad hoc, temporary, as long as that contractual ad hoc was for a period of 1 year and above. So therefore, 2 years, Your Lordship, they were on contract. Thereafter, they were regularized in the same post, Your Lordship. They responded, and both, Your Lordship, were through a due selection process. After 5 years, they approached Your Lordship, the CIT Kokrajhar, for their upgradation in 2017. When it was no response came, they through faculty representative, your lordship, they approached, and finally it was taken on Board of Governors. Now, Board of Governors gave in principle, your lordship, if your lordship directly come to.
Who is appearing for the other side?
I'm.
Where is he?
He is not here.
Who is there?
SP Chaudhary Melody for private customer.
He's not here.
He was appearing for the, subsequently few more candidates have included themselves.
Who are they? Who is appearing for them?
SP Chaudhary, I think.
He's appearing for the newly implemented.
Yes, he was appearing.
He's not here today, Mr. Rajkwar.
Yes, your
We can have it next week then.
lordship may fix that date. Your
Heard Mr. V. Rajkwar, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. S.K. Medhi, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondent numbers 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
So and so. However, none appears for for the newly implemented respondents. Newly implemented respondent numbers, Mr. Rajkwar?
They are from 6, your lordship.
Respondent number?
From respondent number 6 to 36.
6 to 36.
Yes.
It appears that Mr. S.P. Chaudhary is appearing on behalf of the said respondent. In view of the newly implemented respondents being not represented today, the matter is reposted on such and such date. Let registry inform the next date of listing to Mr. S.P. Chaudhary through WhatsApp message.
May I pay for a date, your lordship?
Yes, I'm giving you
26,
date.
26, 24.
24.
26.
24 February.
Deeply obliged.